Email is broken, you open your inbox and instantly go from focused to fried. Too many messages, too little time, too much junk. But what if your inbox handled itself? What if every reply, every label, every forward was handled by a system that thinks? That's what this folder does. Over 21 workflows designed to automate, analyze, and answer, all inside n8n. Let's break it down. First, AI-powered inbox control. We're talking real AI, not rules-based filters. I'm talking open AI, reading your emails, summarizing them, labeling them, replying to them better than your assistant ever could. Spam, flagged, leads, tagged, invoices, extracted and filed, all while you sip your coffee. Next, email automation on autopilot. Whether you're using Gmail, Outlook, or raw IMAP, these workflows are locked, loaded, and ready to trigger. New email? Boom, draft sent, attachment, parsed and uploaded to Google Drive. Contact form, sorted and routed to the right team. Even messages online, handled. This isn't basic send an email stuff. This is intelligent routing. Need to extract spend data from a vendor invoice? Done. Need to send the right auto response based on keywords? Done. Need to classify e-commerce support requests by category? Done. Need a human in the loop before anything goes out? Done. You don't need a CRM. You need clarity. You need control. You need command over every message coming in and out. This folder gives it to you. It's not a pile of files, it's a full-blown email AI command center, built in 1980, self-hosted if you want it, no SaaS fees, no bottlenecks, just total control. So if your inbox is a war zone, if you spend hours sorting, replying, and guessing, let this system do the lifting. Because this isn't about email anymore. It's about peace of mind. It's about speed. It's about turning chaos into flow, automatically. And once you install these, you'll wonder how you ever did email without them.